If you own a gaming PC that uses Windows 11, it's very possible that your OS has not been optimized because you aren't using the following Windows settings that can significantly improve your game and performance and heavily reduce any sort of input delay. And yes, this optimization guide will benefit any PC and will also be quick and safe. It won't require any downloads. If this does help, please drop a like and also subscribe for more future guides. We are going to be using this free tool, WinToys, to optimize our Windows 11. WinToys is like a toolbox for your PC. It helps you clean, speed up, and fine-tune your system with just a few clicks. With WinToys, I was able to remove junk, boost my FPS, and make my PC feel brand new. If you're a gamer and haven't tried WinToys yet, you're seriously missing out. First, head over to the Microsoft Store and search for WinToys. It's a free app made by Microsoft, and it's packed with powerful Windows tweaks. Install it, and let's get optimizing. This is the home page of this app. This is where you will see your system info, for example, apps, processor, memory usage, and many more. From the left-hand side, we have a couple of options there. We have the Home, Apps, Services, Performance, Health and Tweaks options. Now let's look at the App section in the left panel of WinToys. This is where you get full control over the apps installed on your PC. This section is split into two main parts. Number 1 is the installed apps. Here, WinToys shows you every app installed on your system, including hidden ones that don't show up in your regular settings. You can see how much space each app takes, check the install date, sort apps by size, name, or usage, and uninstall any app with just one click. If you see apps you don't use, especially big ones, you can remove them to free up space and improve game performance. Number 2, we have the Microsoft Store apps and bloatware. WinToys also shows a lot of pre-installed Microsoft Store apps that come with Windows 10, like Xbox apps, News, OneNote, and others. Many of these runs in the background, even if you never open them. They use RAM and slow down your PC, especially for gaming. You can safely uninstall these from right here. It's cleaner and easier than going through Windows settings. The fewer background apps you have, the more RAM and CPU power your games get. Cleaning up unused apps can make your PC faster and your games run smoother, especially if you're low on storage. There are some default Microsoft bloatware apps you can't uninstall directly, for example Microsoft Edge, but I will show you how to uninstall with this same app later. Now let's talk about the Services section. Services are small background programs that Windows and other apps use to keep things running, like updates, printers, Xbox features, or even Bluetooth. But here's the problem. Many of them run all the time, even when you don't need them, and that can slow down your system or eat up RAM while gaming. WinToys shows you a full list of services on your PC. Here's what you can do. See the service name and status, either running or stopped. You can read a short description so that you will know what each one does, or you can disable or stop unnecessary services and safely free up resources. I have this services bat file that lets you disable unnecessary services with just one click. Let me show you how you can do that. Just make a right click on this service bat file and then click on Run as Administrator. You will get this kind of green command prompt box. To view all the services I have listed, just press 2 and hit Enter. You can see ActiveX, BitLocker Drive Encryption, Wallet Service, Xbox Service, and the rest. You can see the number of services listed are 28 here. Just press 0 to see the main menu, and press A to deactivate all the unnecessary services. If you encounter any issue, you can come back to this same window and reactivate the services again by pressing B. Now let's head over to our next option, which is the Performance. Here you can enable the Ultimate Power Plan mode. You can click here to see all the power plans on your PC. Setting your PC to High or Ultimate Performance ensures it's always ready for intense gaming sessions. It's one of the easiest ways to get smoother gameplay. You can turn off startup apps that automatically starts when you turn on your PC. Every time you turn on your PC, some apps start running automatically in the background, even if you don't need them. These are called startup programs. They slow down your boot time, uses RAM, and can make your system feel laggy, especially when launching games. For example, I don't use Microsoft Teams, so I don't want it in my startup list. Same goes for the Microsoft Edge browser. I don't normally use it, so I will turn it off. You can turn off background apps here. By disabling background apps, you can free up more RAM and CPU for your games. That means faster load times, better FPS, and less stuttering, especially if you're multitasking or streaming. You can also adjust your gaming settings. You can enable game mode. Enabling game mode is a no-brainer. It's built for gamers like us, and it's just one click away from better performance. Next up, we have the search indexing. Search indexing is a Windows feature that makes searching for files and apps faster by constantly scanning your files in the background. But here's the catch. It uses up CPU, RAM, and disk power all the time, even when you're not searching for anything. For example, if you want to open Microsoft Word and search it on your search bar, it will display multiple files and folders, which most plenty of your RAM and decrease performance. And mostly you don't need them at all. You just want only the Microsoft Word application alone. This way you can turn off search indexing. Disabling indexing reduces background disk usage, which means your system can focus on loading and running your games. Next up is the health section. This scans your system and shows you things that could be slowing it down or wasting space. It's all about making sure your PC is running at its best. The health section in WinToys also lets you repair your PC with just one click, using powerful tools like DISM, SFC, and CHKDSK. Normally, you'd have to type long commands in the command prompt, but with WinToys, it's super easy. You can easily scan and repair corrupted system files, fix issues with the Windows system image, and check your hard drive for errors, all without needing to know any commands. It's a quick and beginner-friendly way to make sure your PC is healthy and ready for gaming. If your system has been feeling slow, buggy, or unstable, using these repair tools through WinToys can really help bring it back to life. And if you're having random crashes, blue screens, or games freezing unexpectedly, you can also use the memory diagnostic tool right from the health section to check your RAM for problems. It's a great way to make sure your system is healthy, stable, and ready for smooth gaming performance. Finally, the tweaks section. You can use this to adjust your start menu options. You can turn off include web results when searching. You can also turn off auto-install suggestions. Windows sometimes shows suggested apps in the start menu, like Spotify or Candy Crush, even if you didn't install them. These are called auto-install suggestions, and they can slow down your PC and take up space. They may also run in the background or come back after updates. It's better to turn them off, especially if you want a clean and fast system for gaming. You can also adjust some helpful File Explorer settings to make your PC feel faster and easier to use. You can also show file extensions and hidden files, which is useful if you want more control over your folders, especially when managing game files or mods. You can make File Explorer open directly to this PC instead of Home or Quick Access, which gives you a cleaner view of your drives. Let me show you. If you open your File Explorer, by default, it opens to Home, which doesn't give you cleaner view of your drives. You can change it to this PC for cleaner view of your drives. You can also enable the classic interface. This changes some parts of Windows to look and feel more like the older versions, simple, clean, and fast. It removes some of the new animations and modern effects that can slow things down, especially on low-end PCs. It also gives you a more traditional look for menus, context menus, and some system windows. These small changes don't boost FPS directly, but they make your system feel more organized and easier to work with. Let's head over to the privacy section. By default, Windows collects a lot of information in the background, like what apps you use, your typing history, and even your location. These features aren't really needed for gaming and can slow your system down or use up internet bandwidth. You can easily turn off features like location services, telemetry, activity tracking, error reporting, and other background data collection tools. This helps free up system resources and gives you more control over your privacy. It's quick, safe, and you can switch them off with one click. It's a great way to speed up your PC and protect your personal data at the same time. You can also remove ads from Windows. By default, Windows shows ads in places like the Start menu, lock screen, and Settings. These ads can be distracting, and they use up system resources that could be better spent on gaming. You can also turn off the home page in Settings. When you open Settings, it gives you recommended settings, which mostly you don't need them, and can slow down performance. You can turn it off, which will improve performance significantly when you open the settings. You can see it no more displays the recommended settings. Next up, we have the system. Just scroll down and get to the Digital Market Act. This is a European Union law that aims to create a fairer digital marketplace by regulating the practices of big tech companies like Google, Apple, and Microsoft. You can enable this option, which allows you to uninstall certain bloatware apps that can't be uninstalled, for example Microsoft Edge. Just restart your PC for the changes to take place. But before that, let's check this last option. The Super User. One awesome feature in WinToys is the ability to enable God Mode without typing any complicated commands. God Mode gives you access to all of Windows' advanced settings in one place. A super helpful shortcut for power users and gamers who want quick access to system tools. Find the God Mode option and click it. That's it. A God Mode folder will automatically be created on your desktop, giving you instant access to hundreds of Windows settings and controls, all neatly organized. No need to type any commands or dig through menus. It's just one click to unlock a treasure trove of system settings. Let's restart our PC for the changes to take place. Now when I try to search something, you can see it only gives me the particular app one want. And you can see here, it says search indexing is off. Also, if I go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Edge, you can clearly see I can now uninstall it. You can go on and uninstall any bloatware that refuses to uninstall. And that's it, guys. As you've seen, WinToys is a powerful and beginner-friendly tool that helps you optimize Windows 11 for gaming. No complicated commands, no digging through hidden settings. With just a few clicks, you can boost performance, clean your system, improve privacy, and even unlock advanced features like God Mode. Whether you're using a low-end PC or a high-end setup, these tweaks can make a big difference in your gaming experience. Smoother gameplay, faster load times, and fewer distractions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another tip to level up your PC. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more Windows tools like this. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!